Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I tried luring Charlie out with potato chips and didn't work. He came out, got a chip, and then went back under the bed. So this package has 2 in it. And I will do the unboxing of them one at a time. They're both boxed, and then both boxes were put together into this package. Oh, so awkward the way I try to open things. My landlord just texted me and told me that a package of mine got delivered to a neighbor. I'm tempted to say, keep it and start diamond painting. That's how you get other people hooked. You just give them a diamond painting. Okay. This is interesting. It's got clear paper. It says, Diamond Painting Magic Cube Round Diamond. Come on, do I have to cut it? No, I don't have to cut it. Hi, BB. Am I boring you? She's yawning. It's interesting that one this size that they would choose to do the clear paper, because the small size painting may be not beautiful. You can visit our store to get more beautiful diamond painting. Are they saying this one is small, or are they just saying in general, if it's not as pretty as you thought it would be, get a bigger size? Oh, that's pretty. That's very pretty. It's got the little fairy on it. And I like the clear because I don't do section by section when it's clear. I jump around, and it is full drilled round. It has 30 colors. I'm really gonna have to press it flat because it's a little creased up, which is fine. It's not creased on the glue. It's just creased on the plastic, and the canvas is a little creased, so I'll flatten it out, put some weight on it. Wow, that's really pretty. It's very very green. I like when they use dark green and stuff for the colors. And the bags have the DMC number on them. And was there tools? I don't see tools. I'm not gonna make a big deal. I have so many now, you know. But still, that's not the point. Someone brand new getting this would be pretty upset, I think. Can't open it. Well, it seems to be sealed. This side. I always remember going to my grandmother's house, and I was the baby of the family of the baby of the family. My dad was the baby of his family. So Grandma is quite a bit older than me, and she had this roll of saran wrap that she had peeled a little piece and peeled a little piece and peeled a little piece until it was just a great big puzzle. There were so many little strips, and I remember my mom handed it to me. I must have been 8, and said, "Here, work on this," and that was my activity for the day. Trying to unroll a thing of saran wrap. Sometimes that's how those packages feel to me. Okay, I'm gonna zip through the inventory and then check back in with you and let you know what I think. Okay, everything's here, and when I tipped the box to put it on the floor, 2 toolkits fell out. So they're nice kits. They've got a green, but it's a different color green than I normally get. Isn't that weird? Things like that make a difference to me, how I see them. It came with bags and labels, a pen with a single tip and a 3-tip, no, a 6-tip. That's nice. A big chunk of wax. And I got 2 just exactly like this. So let me bag all these up. I got them all set up to count, and then I realized that there is no inventory sheet with this. So I used the chart on the canvas and made sure all the colors are there. There actually is, I said, you know, it looked very green. There's actually a lot. There's like 3 bags of this, of big bags of 510. So there's a lot of black. It's all just mixed in. I really like this one. It's pretty. It's very pretty. It's different. I'm getting into more of the like monochromatic canvases. And I see I got one more from the same company, so we'll see how that one came out. And yeah, it's fine. Aside from not having an inventory sheet, I do like an inventory sheet, but it's not the end of the world if I don't have one. That's not something to complain about or knock them down for. That's just my personal preference. That's about it. If you like my videos, please take a minute and hit like, and that makes me feel good. People give me random thumbs down, and I stay up at night thinking about it. Like, what did I do? Oh, maybe they don't like dogs. Maybe I did an unboxing of a picture of an iguana, and they don't like iguanas. You know, that, I don't know. I think about these things. But hit like, subscribe, hit the little bell when you subscribe, and you'll be notified when I do new videos. And there's at least one a day. So funny, one of my subscribers, MS Cat, says, I put up 2 one day, so she got a glass of wine and settled in to watch them. You know, like I'm a reality TV show or something. I thought that was cute. So, you have a great day. Happy diamond painting. And I'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.